My dog keeps barking at the corner, but there's nothing there. 2 weeks ago, my dog started barking at the corner of my living room. At first, I thought it was just a shadow or a bug. But it kept happening, always at the same corner, always at midnight. Last night, I decided to check it out. I turned on every light and inspected the corner. Nothing. Then I took a picture with my phone, just to be sure. The image sent chills down my spine. In the corner, there was a blurry outline of a man, staring directly at me. Now, my dog doesn't bark anymore. She just sits there, whining, as if she knows something's still watching.